On the back, it wants you to graph the x and y intercepts. So in order to find the x-intercept, you take the x term and set it equal to the opposite side number. To find your y-intercept, you take the y term and set it equal to the opposite side. You want to solve each mini equation, so I'm going to divide both by 2 and get x equals -3. So on my x-axis, I'm going to put a dot at -3. For my y-intercept, I'm going to divide both sides by -3, and I get y equals 2. So on my y-axis, I'm going to put a dot at 2. And because we're graphing using intercepts, we do not need any other points, and we just need those two. Okay. Number 17 through 20, it just wants you to graph the line. I'll do number 18. My slope is -2/1. And since there's no number added to the back, you want to add a +0 back there. So that means you'll start at 0, and you'll go down to right 1, because the slope is -2/1, which is the same as up to left 1. Okay. Make as many dots as you can, and make sure your line is straight the best you can. Number 21 and 22, you're graphing a system of equations. So once again, that top equation, both of these first off equations are in slope-intercept form. So there is no need to rearrange them. Because there's no number added to the back of the top equation, we're going to put a 0 there. First dot goes at 0. My m is -3/1, which is down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, and then up 3, left 1. Okay. Oops, my line's not very good there. That bottom equation is also in slope-intercept form, so my m is 1/1, it's imaginary there, and my b is a -4. So I'm going to put a dot at 4, and I'm going to go up 1, right 1. Notice how those two lines cross at the point 1, comma, -3. 1, comma, -3 is your solution. And then that last word problem there wants you to write two equations. It wants you to create a system. It says, together, Mom and Dad have bought a total of 11 Christmas presents. Dad bought 5 more presents than Mom. So their total Christmas presents, which is Mom plus Dad, so X plus Y, is equal to 11 Christmas presents. In order to graph this, because it's in standard form, I have to subtract 1x on both sides, and I get the equation y equals -1x plus 11. If I were to graph that, I'd put a dot at 11, and I'd go down 1, right 1. And you want to go all the way down because you never know where they're going to cross. Now, equation 2 comes from that second sentence, where it says, Dad has 5 more presents than Mom. So when I write that equation, my dad variable is y. And Dad has means y equals 5 more presents than Mom. Well, Mom is my x, and 5 more means to add 5 there. So I can graph this equation by plotting a dot at 5 and going up 1, right 1. Notice how they cross at that nice point, 3, 8. And when it says interpret, that means Mom Mom bought 3 presents. Dad bought 8